Before we part ways, I just want to say to all my supporters, I fucking love y'all to death. To all my fans, I love y'all to death. And I just want to let y'all know y'all not just fans, y'all my fucking family. Period. And I also want to say, don't let anybody tell you shit. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do in this life. I'm living proof of that shit. I'm standing right here on this stage in front of you. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do in this life. And if anybody got a problem with that, if anybody holding you back, if anybody giving you negative energy, just plug to the side and be like, suck my dick! Hey, have y'all had this restaurant called From Under? From Under These Nights.